Hi folks, I just wanted to make a video on how to do album art on Elastic Stage for their making an album LP record. So first I created my label. This is the same process as for all the other art, although the megapixel size for the center label is different. So what I do is I create my label, which is off my new LP, Born into the Universe. The Code is the name of the album. You go over here and you upload it. And then I click on this. Grab my... And over here, what I do is I switch the name so I can recognize it. I've already done these, so it may recognize the names, but I guess in this case it didn't. And then I go to Adobe Photoshop, which I've got up here that has that special label. Let's click on it first and I'll show you. Yeah, it says PS Photoshop. This is another LP record I've been working on. You want to open up a new folder if you're working on stuff. And then you're going to upload that picture, the code. And there it is there. Then up here, this automatically populates, for me anyways. So I already know that their labels, they require a 2000. So I'm going to type in 2000. And it automatically populates that one. So it brings the image closer. Now the second part is to crop it. And you'll see the map of it isn't quite right. So we want to change those to 2000 as well, those megapixels. The width and height. And then I just go like that, and it brings it all up. So it's converted right now. I know you can't see my download button for some reason, but and then that's downloading. I gotta log into Elastic Stage real quick. So that's already downloaded, but I gotta go up there and I gotta save it again. I've already changed the name, so it's populated in there automatically after you do it the first time. Now I saved it. Now I'm going back to Elastic Stage. And I'm all logged in now. So this is the wrong LP, so let me switch that. These are all my albums that I'm working on that are, here's the code. I just wanted to change this before I submit the lock and release, because I didn't care for the album, the labels before. So when you're in here, let me back out so you can see. Whoops, that I did not want. When you're in here, there's my labels. I'm just going to do this and this and put in the art that I just did. And that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching.